In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Shopify products to TikTok Shop. By the end, you'll have your Shopify catalog connected so your products can reach customers directly on TikTok Shop, all from your existing store. Start by opening your Shopify account and signing into your Shopify admin. You'll be on the main dashboard. From here, look to the left-hand menu and click on Apps. This is where you'll add the official integration that links Shopify to TikTok Shop. In the Apps area, search for TikTok. You're looking for the official TikTok app that supports TikTok Shop. Click on it to open the app listing. Take a quick moment to confirm you're installing the legitimate app from the correct provider, then select Install. Shopify will show you what permissions the app needs so it can sync products, manage orders, and handle essential data securely. Review the details, and when you're ready, continue with the installation. Next, follow the prompts on your screen to connect and set up your TikTok Shop. The on-screen flow typically guides you to sign in to your TikTok Shop seller account, approve permissions, and link the correct region or shop if you manage more than one. You'll see options to decide how products sync, such as syncing all current and future products automatically or selecting specific items. Choose the option that matches your workflow and catalog size. During setup, you may be asked to map key product details like titles, images, pricing, and inventory. Make sure your product information in Shopify is accurate and compliant with TikTok Shop policies, including clear images, correct categories, and any required attributes. If your products have variants, check that sizes, colors, and SKUs are consistent so inventory updates flow correctly between platforms. The prompts may also include preferences for shipping and fulfillment handling, and whether to push price and stock updates automatically from Shopify. Enabling automatic updates helps prevent overselling and keeps your listings consistent across channels. If you see any warnings about restricted items or missing fields, address them in Shopify so the listing can successfully publish to TikTok Shop. Once you finish the guided setup, the sync will begin. Give it a little time for your products to appear in TikTok Shop. Early on, it's normal to see a pending or processing status while data is verified. If anything looks off, return to the TikTok app inside Shopify to review sync settings or product publishing status. That's it. You've connected Shopify to TikTok Shop, installed the TikTok app, and followed the prompts to complete setup so your products can sync seamlessly.